Welcome. This video is for Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics 0606 Paper 1 Non-Calculator Practice Paper 1. We are having a non-calculator paper, so which is paper 1 and it is practice paper 1. Coming to the question number 1. The diagram shows the cubic curve. So cubic curve, then the roots. What are the roots over here? The roots are -2 and -1 and 5. So these are the roots. Find the expression. So f of x can be written as a times, we don't know the amplitude, x minus of -2 is x plus 2, x minus of -1 is x plus 1, and x minus 5. This is going to be the cubic curve, but we still need to find it out the value of a. So for that, what am I going to do? I am going to take any one point on the curve. So which is the easiest point? 0, 5. So plug in 0, 5. So what do I get from there? X is 0, so y is 5. 5 equals to a times 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1, and 0 minus 5. So 5 equals to a times 2 times 1 times -5. So we can see that 5 and 5 gets cancelled. This will be giving me the value of a as -1 by 2. So what is going to be the answer? The answer is, if at all I move this one to this side and over here, this entire thing to over here. So the final answer is f of x equals to -1 by 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 5. That's going to be the answer. Now, next part, solve. F of x is less than or equals to 0. Less than or equals to 0 means it is negative. Where it is negative? When you blow, what is this? Magnify and see. This is going to be the negative part, and this entire part is going to be the negative part. So it lies between, so equal to -2 and -1, and also x is greater than or equals to 5. Because see that carefully over here, equal to symbol is there. So therefore I am taking it out, equal to symbol in the answer also. Question number 1. That one was question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. At time t seconds, a particle is moving in a straight line with an acceleration. So acceleration is given as 2t plus 1 whole to the power of -1 upon 2. When t equals to 0, the particle is at 4 meters. T equals to 0, distance is 4 meters and is traveling at the velocity v equals to 8 meters per second. So find the velocity. In order to find the velocity, I need to do the integration with respect to dt. So this becomes velocity equals to 2t plus 1 whole to the power of -1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by -1 upon 2 plus 1. Don't forget to divide by the derivative of basic function 2 plus c. From where that 2 came from? That 2 came from here. So what does that becomes? 2t plus 1 whole to the power of 1 upon 2 by 1 upon 2 times 2 plus c. So move these values over here. So it becomes velocity equals to 2t plus 1 whole to the power of 1 upon 2 plus c. But we know that t equals to 0, v equals to 8. So plug in that one. 8 equals to 2 times 0 plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. So 8 equals to 1 plus c. So c equals to 7. So my final answer is going to be velocity equals to 2t plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus 7. Find the displacement over when from O. So we know that velocity equals to 2t plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus 7. So in order to convert velocity into a displacement, so we have to do the integration v dt. So this becomes s equals to 2t plus 1 whole to the power of 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 1 upon 2 plus 1, then again times 2. From where this times 2 came? Because of this one. Then again plus 70 plus this time a constant d. So what does that becomes now? S equals to 2t plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 times 2 plus 7t plus d. So 2 and 2 gets cancels. So what is that displacement? S equals to 1 upon 3 times 2t plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 7t plus d. Now we know that at t equals to 0, S equals to nothing but what? 4. So when I take this one over there, so 4 equals to 1 upon 3 times 2 times 0 plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 7 times 0 plus d. So 4 equals to 1 upon 3 times 1 plus 0 plus d. So d equals to 4 minus 1 upon 3. D equals to 11 upon 3. So what's going to be the answer? S equals to 1 upon 3 times 2t plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 11 upon 3 plus 7t plus 11 upon 3. That's going to be the answer. Coming to question number 3. Write down the amplitude. So amplitude will be always this 2. The first number is going to be the amplitude. So I'm going to write amplitude is going to be equals to 2. Period. Period. Period for cos bx is going to be 2 pi by absolute value of b. Over here b is 1 upon 3. So cos x by 3 period is going to be 2 pi by 1 upon 3, which is going to be 6 pi. Or you can write it as 1080 degrees. On the axis, sketch the graph. So the graph is for 2 cos x by 3 plus 1. So we know that the what it says at x equals to pi. So we have to do some homework over there. X equals to what is this pi? What does it becomes? 2 cos pi by 3 minus 1, which is going to be 2 cos 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So at pi it is 0. Then at negative pi, 2 cos negative pi by 3 minus 1, which is 2 times 1 by 2 minus 1, which is also equals to 0. Then what is the maximum value for this one? Maximum value is 1. So I'm going to find it out the maximum value. 2 times 1 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So this is going to be the maximum value. Then I'm going to try x equals to 3 pi. So 2 times cos of 3 pi by 3 minus 1, which is 2 cos pi minus 1, which is minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. So at minus 3 at 3 pi, it is minus 3. So now we need to join all this. So it becomes a smooth curve over here, and after that it becomes in this way. This is going to be the graph for that particular question. Now question number 4. It is given that the integration is equals to nothing but what? Ln 1 upon 5. What is that? So 3 ln x plus 3x plus 2 integral is going to be ln of absolute value of 3x plus 2 minus 2 ln of 2x plus 2. No need to write, just only ln of 2x plus 1 minus ln x from the limits 1 to a equals to ln 1 upon 5. This is the integration for this, and this is the integration for this, and this is the integration for this. Now substitute the upper limit, it becomes ln 3a plus 2 minus ln 2a plus 1 minus ln a. Then substitute the lower limit, ln 5 minus ln 3 minus ln 1 equals to nothing but how much? Ln 1 upon 5. So what does it becomes? Ln 3a plus 2 divided by a times 2a plus 1 minus ln of 5 upon 3. Ln 1 is 0. equals to ln 1 upon 5. So again, ln of 3a plus 2 divided by a times 2a plus 1 divided by 5 upon 3 equals to ln 1 upon 5. Ln gets cancels. So what do I get from here? 3 times 3a plus 2 divided by 5a times 2a plus 1 equals to 1 upon 5. We can cancel 5 and 5 also. Then do the cross multiplication. 3 times 3a plus 2 equals to a times 2a plus 1. Then from there, 9a plus 6 equals to 2a square plus a. So 2a square plus a minus 9a minus 6 equals to 0. So what do I get from there? 2a square minus 8a minus 6 equals to 0. A square minus 4a minus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4a ac upon 2a. I use the formula. What is the formula I have used it out for here? A equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, b equals to minus 4, then and c equals to minus 3. So what does that becomes now? And I have used the formula minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So it becomes 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 12 divided by 2 times a. What was a value? A value was 1. So 2 times 1, 2. So which is nothing but what? This one was 12. So it is a equals to 4. Let me, or else I'll be adding a page so that it will become much more easy and clear. So I got a equals to 4 plus minus square root of 28 divided by 2. So a equals to 4 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of 7 divided by 2. So 4 plus minus 2 square root 7 divided by 2. So a equals to 2 plus minus square root of 7. But it cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. So therefore, answer is a equals to 2 plus square root 7. That's going to be the answer. Now coming to question number 5. The polynomial p of x is divisible by x minus 2. Means p of 2 should be equals to 0. So a times 2 cube plus b times 2 square plus 6 times 2 plus 4 equals to 0. 8a plus 4b plus 12 plus 4 equals to 0. 8a plus 4b plus 16 equals to 0. Divide by 2. 2 times 4, 2 times 2, 2 times 8. 4a plus, then again I can divide by 2. 2, 1 and 4. So what do I get it out? Final equation 2a plus b equals to minus 4. What else? What can I do? I can directly divide by 4. If I directly divide by 4, it becomes 2, 1, 4. So 2a plus b equals to negative 4. That's one equation. Then next part is nothing but what? P prime x. P prime x is, first of all, P prime x will become 3ax square plus 2bx plus 6. When divided by x plus 1, then the remainder is negative 7. So 3a times negative 1 whole square plus 2b times negative 1 plus 6 equals to negative 7. 3a minus 2b plus 6 equals to negative 7. 3a minus 2b equals to negative 13. So I got two equations. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So now I'm going to solve it out, these two equations. Multiply this equation with times 2. So it becomes 4a plus 2b equals to negative 8. 3a minus 2b equals to negative 13. Add them. 3a minus 2b equals to negative 13. Then I am going to solve both the equations. So I have to find it out the simultaneous equations for this one. So what I get from there, I will be getting it out 7a. 7a equals to negative 21, a equals to negative 21 upon 7, which is negative 3. Then plugging a equals to negative 3 in the first equation, 2 times negative 3 plus b equals to negative 4, negative 6 plus b equals to negative 4, b equals to 2. So what's going to be the answer? The answer is a equals to 3 and negative 3 and b equals to 2. Use your answers in part A. Find the remainder when p double prime x is divided by x. So first of all, p prime x. P prime x is nothing but how much? 3ax square plus 2bx plus 6. 3ax square plus 2bx plus 6. So p prime x will become negative 9x square plus 4x plus c plus 6 plus 6. Now p double prime x. What is p double prime x? Minus 18x plus 4. So when p double prime x is divided by x, the remainder is going to be 4. So the remainder is 4. Question number 6. Write this one as a single logarithm to the base 10. So 3 can be written as log 1000 to the base 10 plus 2 log a to the base 10 minus 4 log b to the base 10. So this is log 1000 to the base 10 plus log a square to the base 10 minus log b power 4 to the base 10. So it becomes log base 10 1000 a square divided by b power 4. Solve the equation. So 3 divided by log a to the base 4 plus 2 log a to the base 4 equals to 7. So let log a to the base 4 equals to x. So it becomes 3x plus 2x equals to 7. 3 plus 2x square upon x equals to 7. 3 plus 2x square equals to 7x. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Now what am I going to do? I am going to factorize this one. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Factorize it out. It becomes 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 equals to 0, x minus 3 equals to 0. So what does it becomes? 2x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 2, x equals to 3. But what is x? X is log a to the base 4 equals to 1 by 2. So a equals to 4 to the power of 1 by 2, a equals to 2. Log a to the base 4 equals to 3. So a equals to 4 to the power of 3, a equals to 64. Question number 7. The radius of a circle is increasing at a rate of 5 centimeters per second. dr by dt equals to 5 centimeters per second. Find in terms of pi the rate at which area is increasing. So dA by dt equals to question mark when radius equals to 3. So we know that area of a circle is pi r square. So dA by dr equals to 2 pi r. Now dA equals to 2 pi r times dr. Then divide by dt on both sides. So what do I get from there? dA by dt equals to 2 pi times radius is 3 times 5, which is nothing but what? 30 pi. and the units is centimeter square per second. That's going to be the answer. Next, question number 8. A function f of x is defined by this one. Write the least possible value of a. We know that ln 2x plus 3, only logarithmic of a positive number is possible. So 2x plus 3 should be greater than 0. 2x is greater than negative 3, x is greater than negative 1.5. For the value of a, write the range of f. So log can be either be positive number or negative number. So answer is going to be all real numbers. So f of x belongs to all real numbers. Using this value of a, find f inverse of a. So ln of or ln of 2x plus 3 plus ln 4 equals to y. So it becomes ln of 8x plus 12 equals to y. So 8x plus 12 equals to e power y. 8x equals to e power y minus 12. X equals to e power y minus 12 divided by 8. So what will be f inverse of x? Will be e power x minus 12 divided by 8. Now, domain range. F of x, f inverse of x. Domain of f of x. Has he given domain of f of x? X is greater than a. X is greater than minus 1.5. Range is R. Now for f inverse, the domain will become range and range will become domain. So what is the range of f inverse? Will be f inverse of x is greater than minus 1.5. That's going to be the answer. So domain and range will get swapped. For f of x and f inverse of x, what we can assume is the domain and range will be always getting swapped. That is the easiest method to do this kind of question. Question number 9. This is from vectors. The diagram shows a triangle OAC. B is a point in the midpoint of OC. This is the midpoint of OC. So if this is B, this part is also B. So BC is also equals to vector B. Y lies on AC such that OY intersects AB at X and AX is to XB equals to 3 is to 1. So this is going to be 3 parts of AB and XB is 1 part of AB. So AX equals to 3 upon 4 parts of AB and XB will be equals to 1 by 4 parts of AB. Find OX in terms of A and B, giving your answer in the simplest form, OX. So first of all, I am going to find it out AB. What do I find it out AB? I go A to O plus O to B. A to O is nothing but what? Minus A, then plus B. So it's going to be nothing but what? B minus A. That is AB. Now I want O to X. O to X is nothing but what? O to A plus A to X. O to A is nothing but what? A plus A to X is 3 upon 4 times of AB. So that is going to be A plus 3 upon 4 times of B minus A. So which is A plus 3 upon 4 times of B minus 3 upon 4 times of A. So final answer is going to be 1 upon 4 times of A plus 3 upon 4 times of B. Find AC in terms of A and B. AC. AC is nothing but what? What should I be doing it out for finding AC? A to C. A to C is A to O plus O to C. A to O plus O to C is nothing but what? 2 times of OB. So which is A plus minus A. Minus A plus 2B. So which is going to be 2B minus A. This is A to C. And finally, question number 10. The first 3 terms of arithmetic progression are given. So first term T1 equals to log x. Second term equals to log x to the power of 5, which is 5 log x. What is the common difference? Common difference is second term minus first term, which is 5 log x, minus log x, which is equals to 4 log x. Now the sum to n terms. Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So which is going to be n by 2 2a. A is log x plus n minus 1 times 4 log x. What can I do? Log x can be taken common. So it will become as n by 2 log x common. So what is left over inside the bracket? 2, 2 plus 4 times of n minus 1. So n upon 2 log x, 2 plus 4n minus 4. So which is n upon 2 log x, 2 plus 4n. So it's going to be 4n minus 2. Then we can cancel 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 1. So my final answer is going to be n times 2n minus 1 times log x. That's going to be the final answer. Hence find the value of n when the sum of the n terms is equals to minus plus 4940 log x. So n times 2n minus 1 log x equals to 4950 log x. Then log x gets cancels. N square 2n square minus n minus 4950 equals to 0. Then I'm going to factorize this one. So I'm directly writing the factors for that. It should be 4950 divided by 50. What is it? Becomes 99. So directly writing the factors, it becomes n minus 50 times 2n minus 99, 2n plus 99 equals to 0. So n equals to 50 or n equals to minus 99 by 2. N cannot be negative, so n equals to 50. Given that this sum means n equals to 50. The word this sum of n terms is equals to this one. So n times 2n minus 1 log x equals to minus 14850 when n is 50. So 50 times 99 log x equals to minus 14850. So very simple calculations without calculator, 0 gets cancels. That's why it has been given 99 log x equals to minus 104 1485 divided by 5. So 99 log x equals to minus, becomes 297. So log x equals to minus 297 divided by 99, which is 3. Log x equals to negative 3, x equals to 10 to the power of negative 3. This is going to be the answer. That completes this paper. See you in the next paper. Bye.